How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, you join me with my Mark 5 Golf GTI, and I'm fitting a Ram Air oversized induction kit on it. Right guys, so this is what it looks like under here, completely stock. I'll get some sound clips for you. So this is what I've bought, the Ram Air oversized induction kit. It is second hand. I bought it off a guy off Facebook Marketplace. Bought it for 60 quid. These are selling for £200 right now. So it has got obviously a few issues with it. So if you can see this foam bit over there, it's all like eaten away and nothing too major. And then it's missing a Jubilee clip down here. And he was saying the boost, the turbo pipe that connects to the induction kit, that's missing. But he says I could just get one of my pipe, should hopefully fit, or I can just get another pipe and put it in. If not, I just have to buy another one. So to get it to fit, it literally, I'll show you how it sits. It literally sits like this. So this will come off. This is a rocker cover, and that will sit in there, come all the way across, and then this should like bend like that. So it'll sit in there. That will look so much better, and hopefully it'll sound better, because I know with induction kits sometimes it makes it sound better, and it gives it a lot of more power as well. Right guys, so I'm going to start removing it now. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the sensor. It should just come out here. Now you want to remove this. So mine's already loose, so it should just come apart really. It's all loose here. And you need a torque set to remove these torque screws. A few inside there. So let me just crack on with that. You're gonna remove these clips down here. That's out. And there's one on the other side as well. That just clips out. I don't think you need a tool for that. This should just clip out. And then hopefully this and this. Let me just remove this, so it should just clip out. It should be out from there. That's the rocker cover off. Now to take this off. I don't know if you can see well there, but there's two Jubilee clips. Well, one Jubilee clip. So I'm just going to take that off to remove this bit. Then I can start putting the induction kit in. Right, this clip is starting to annoy me. It's not hard to get to, it's just there's no space to work around. So I'm going to leave that for now. I'm going to start removing this. Right, so this has 270 mils torque screws on one here. One here, easy to remove, just space that's hard, but yeah, I'll remove this and I'll join you guys. The screws are now out, so I should literally just flip out. Screws are there. Now back to this, try to get this out. Once that's out, it should be ready to go on. So after about 15 minutes of niggling about, it's out. It's all out now, it's all here. Now time to put this in. So the induction kit is now in. Don't forget to remove this off the rocker cover from here. It's literally two T20s, and literally just screw on here, as you can see, and then just plug it back in. And I'm just going to connect everything back up, and let's see what it sounds like. Now guys, so it's all on now. I've tightened it all up, put a couple of cable ties on. And it's all tightened. I'll get a clip of what it sounds like now. Right guys, so that's all for this video. That's been my Ram Air oversized induction kit on my Mark 5 Golf GTI. It looks good, it sounds so good. The pops sound louder, the car does sound a lot louder now. So if you're not listening to the clip, I'll put the clip in now. but it sounds so good. So yeah, so that's all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I shall see you guys in the next one.